Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the fascinating world of living things. Did you know that there are countless different types of plants and animals on Earth? Each one has its own unique characteristics, behaviors, and habitats. To better understand them, scientists have divided living things into different categories. Let's explore how animals and plants are classified. Part 1. Animal Classification. Animals can be divided into two main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates include birds, fish, mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. On the other hand, insects are an example of invertebrates. Insects have 3 pairs of legs and their bodies are divided into 3 parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. They also have a pair of antennae on their heads and some have wings. Fish live in water and use fins to swim. They breathe using gills, and their bodies are usually covered in scales. Birds have feathers covering their entire body, a beak, a pair of wings, and a pair of feet. They breathe using lungs. Mammals have hair or fur on their bodies, breathe using lungs, and feed their young with milk. Reptiles have dry skin and breathe using lungs. Their bodies are covered in hard, dry scales. Amphibians have moist skin without scales, and as adults, they breathe using both lungs and their skin. Part 2. Plant Classification. Plants are generally divided into 2 groups, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Many common plants, such as daffodils, roses, and sunflowers, are flowering plants. These plants have flowers that come in various shapes, colors, and bloom for different lengths of time. Non-flowering plants, on the other hand, never produce flowers. Some examples of non-flowering plants include mosses, ferns, and conifers like pine trees. Additionally, plants can be classified based on their growing environment, such as land plants and water plants. Wow, we've learned so much about the classification of living things today. By grouping animals and plants based on their characteristics and habits, we can better understand the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Next time you see a plant or animal, try to think about which category it belongs to. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around us.
Now it's time to learn some important vocabulary related to this unit on the classification of living things.
脊椎動物、無脊椎動物、哺乳類、爬行類、兩棲類、昆蟲、觸角、翅膀、鰭、鰓、鱗片、羽毛、喙、毛髮、苔蘚、蕨類、松柏類、陸生植物、水生植物。